back to my channel. In today's video, I'm about to just do a mukbang, talk to y'all a little bit. So it's Taco Tuesday. I made me some tacos. Can y'all see? I got me some chips, some juice, and then I got my dessert, some candy. I got some candy. So I'm just gonna eat and talk, catch y'all up on, you know, where I've been, what I've been doing. Haven't been really too consistent on YouTube. So I'm gonna just fill y'all in what I've been doing and stuff like that. So before we start, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And yeah, let's get right into it. All right, hold on, I'm hungry. Let me eat real quick. So good. And then the purple bag Doritos, my favorite. Okay, so I think the last video I posted was a try on haul. If y'all haven't watched that, go back and watch that video like right now. That is me trying on Sweet Style, so y'all should check it out. And then I think before that I hadn't posted a video in like almost a month, and that's like a very long time. And honestly, like, the real reason is like I just wasn't too motivated with YouTube. My mind was like on other things, and other things as in Sweet Style, of course. I don't know, that's just my first baby, so like I've just been doing a lot for that. But I do want to get back on YouTube consistently. I went back in like May and June. I was doing like 6 videos a month, and for me that's pretty good because like I do still work. I don't, like, you know, have a lot of free time, so I'm gonna try to, you know, get back to that at least. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I've just been chilling. And I feel like it's just so much going on in the world. It's just hard to, like, you know, be in the mood to make a video. At least for me it is. It's taco busting. Okay, so y'all want to know what I've been planning, you know, for Sweet Style. So if you don't know already, I did two parts of the summer collection so far, part 1 and part 2. Y'all should go check it out if you haven't already. And so I'm planning on doing like part 3 for the summer. Hopefully I can drop it like the end of July, beginning of August. And as of now, it's looking like it's gonna be like a, not so much clothes, but I'm not saying like accessories, like, I don't know. Just stay tuned. I don't want to give it away, you know, so just stay tuned. And then I'm very excited for one of the items that I'm doing for part 3. So excited. I'm sure I'm gonna do like a reveal video for y'all on YouTube. But anyways, this product, like, it goes into like something that I'm very interested in, what I really want to do. Like clothes and, like, you know, accessories is cool. I'm all for it. But my heart, you know, so this product is going to be pretty much that. I'm so excited. I feel like it's going to do very well. because I just feel like it's, with clothes, it's like everybody got different styles, everybody has different preferences, but this is something that like probably 80% of like females use daily, like are into stuff like that. So I really feel like this might be good. It's gonna do good. My food getting cold talking to y'all, but it's okay though. It's okay. And so after part 3, I'm sure I'm gonna be like dropping like new arrivals probably weekly. I really want to start dropping stuff on the website like weekly, just to keep, you know, the people interested in tune. So I plan on doing that, and then I plan on having like a really big photo shoot for my fall collection, like back to school and all that jazz. Well, even like if there's even gonna be, you know, school. But yeah, it's lit. Ooh, that juice is good. So yeah, so part 3 is coming the end of this month, beginning of August. It's July, right? Yeah. And then I'm gonna be dropping new arrivals weekly. And then it's lit. If y'all don't already follow us on Instagram, go do that. I'm gonna show y'all the page right here. Can y'all see that? At Sweet Style Co. It's lit. So guys, I just added a new ambassador. Her name is Joanna. She is out of Tallahassee, and she is so freaking bomb. Look at this picture. Can y'all see it? She's bomb as heck. So in the picture, she's wearing the Summer Vibes 2-piece, and like she killed that. She killed that. So that makes my 3rd ambassador, and I love them so much. They help me out so much. It's crazy. I just dropped our first mini purse on Friday, the mini sweet purse. Go check it out. It's so cute. I stole one from myself because it's just the cutest little thing ever. So I just want to make this video to really get myself back motivated into doing videos, give y'all an update, what I got going on, what I've been doing. Just, yeah, get back in the groove of things. I am hilarious. What else do I want to talk about? So yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in to my video. If you made it this far, I'm gonna give y'all a little discount code off Sweet Style. Let me see what I got on there. I'm gonna give y'all a code if you're still watching. All right, at checkout, use code 10SWEET, S on the sweet. I'm gonna leave it right here on the screen to save 10% off your order. Alright y'all, that brings us to the end of my video. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Click the bell to be notified when I drop a video. And like I said, check out Sweet Style if you haven't already. More Sweet Style on the way. And it's lit. I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Bye.